You can make up to $100, $200, even $500 from this project I'm about to show you right now. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and also follow every step I'm going to show you in this video in order to take advantage of this update. Now, this project is a crypto project, right? It's called Hamster Kombat, and they are going to give out airdrop. It's a game where you do simple tasks on the project every day, and at the end of the day, you get rewarded in their tokens, and these tokens can be converted to cryptocurrencies, which can be converted into money, into naira. So, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. Now, Hamster Kombat is a crypto project. And if you don't know what cryptocurrency, you don't know what airdrop is. Airdrop is a cryptocurrency term whereby you get free coins without paying any money. So you just do some tax and you get some rewards for free. It all started with this project called Notcoin. Now, sometimes in January, this project called Notcoin started. As you can see here, Notcoin has about 1.7 million followers over here. So Notcoin, they started with this same crypto gaming on Telegram, and then they just started tapping, replaying some games, doing some tasks daily. And at the end of Notcoin, when they did their airdrop, they gave out a lot of money to their users. I knew when people were playing Notcoin, I knew when they started, but I didn't take it seriously because I felt like it will not be that serious. So I didn't do it then. For my friends, I have friends that did it that time, and when Notcoin did their airdrop, they gave out $100, $200 to users that time. They did their airdrop, I think last month or last 2 months. So after Notcoin did their airdrop, other projects also started coming up, and Hamster Combat is also one of them. Now, if you convert $100 to naira today, $100 times 1.6, that's about 75, maybe 70,000, 75,000. So even if it's just $100 you got from Notcoin that time, you were getting free 70,000 without paying any money, just playing games and doing simple tasks on your phone. Now, the next project now we're going to talk about today now is Hamster Combat. Now, as you can see over here, Hamster Kombat even has more followers, has 12.5 million followers than Notcoin, that has 1.7. Hamster Kombat is even more popular than Notcoin, and the project is a very nice project. The game is actually a nice game. And one thing about this thing, you don't need an extra app, you just need Telegram. All you need to play this game is Telegram, and you are free and you are good to go. Now let's talk about Hamster. Hamster, this is their website. So it's a CEO game. So you act like a CEO, you make some investments, and yeah, it says make your way from the shaved hamster to the grandmaster CEO of the tier 1 crypto exchange by upgrades, completing quests, inviting friends, and become the best. So all you need to do is just complete quests, upgrade your account, and invite friends if you can. Now, as you can see, Hamster Convert has a lot of backings. They are backed by Binance, OKX, Bybit, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Hotbit, and many other exchanges. Now, if you don't know what these things, these companies, they are crypto exchanges. They are big cryptocurrency companies where you can trade, you can buy and sell your crypto from. So, and the fact that these companies are they are supporting this project called Hamster Combat, that means it's a good project and it's probably going to pay well. So now, this is their roadmap. They started way back in March, but it's not too late because they have not yet announced their airdrop date yet. So I feel like it's still early for us to go into it. Well, right now we're in July, we just entered August. See, there's still more things they have to do, right? So there's still time. So it's not too late to start this project. Now I'm going to go right into the tutorial and show you guys exactly how you can start this project and get started. So guys, if you click on the link to the description of this video, you will get the link to this Hamster Combat. Now, like I said before, all you need is just your Telegram. By the time you come to Telegram, you click on the link, it will bring you to this page. Now you click on play here, and then you load up the app.
Now, the simple tasks you need to do on this Hamster Combat are just about 5 things daily, right? You need to do about 5 things daily. Now, first thing is a tapping game. So you tap on your screen, you tap on it, you see your balance here. So when you tap, it adds to your coin balance up here. Now you can come to boost here, then you can upgrade all this multi tap. So this multi tap, when you click on it, it increases this. So when you just start, it will be 1 or 2, but by the time you upgrade, it will increase to 2 or 3 or 4. And the higher you go, the more level you go. Then you can fill up this energy. So if I fill up this energy now, it will fill up back. This is back to 10,000 of 10,000. So those are daily boosts that you have. Then also we have daily rewards over here. When you come to daily rewards, you do daily tasks. You come here and you claim daily coins every day. And as you claim every day, it increases, right? But if you miss a day, it will start again from the beginning. The next thing is daily cipher. Now, daily cipher is where you do some codes. I'm going to show you how to be getting the codes for this daily cipher. It's very simple. Then we have daily combo. This is where you get free 5 million points for getting the combo. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this also for the daily combo. But make sure you always buy these cards, right? So these cards, they help you to increase your profit per hour. This is my profit per hour up here, 3 million over here. So by the time I buy cards like this, I click on it and I go ahead, it increases my profit per hour. So it increases my mining rate for me, and it helps me to mine more coins, right? So there are a lot of cards to buy here. We have different areas. Just keep upgrading your cards, keep buying more cards, and buy the ones that give you more profit per hour. So that's increased to 3.3 million. So also there's a mini game here. This game is a simple game. I'm going to show you how to get the game, how to complete the game. It's like a puzzle. I'm not going to play it right now. So that's basically it for these guys. And finally, you have come to the friends tab here. You can refer some friends. Also, we have playground here. It's an extra game here. This one is not really necessary. It's just if you want to spend more time playing the game, you can come and download this game. And finally, the airdrop tab over here, you connect your Ton wallet. So I'm going to show you how to do this later on in the video. But make sure every day you keep on tapping, keep on completing all these daily rewards, daily cipher, daily combo, and also the mini game, and you are good to go.
So that's just it, guys. Very simple. There's not more than that. Just do all those simple tasks every day and then keep increasing your profit per hour and also keep increasing your coin balance, and then connect your wallet, and then you can qualify for the airdrop. Now, let me quickly show you how to get your daily combo and daily cipher. So very simple. Just come to Twitter. Now, guys, for cryptocurrency and crypto airdrops, Twitter is your best friend. Anything you need to do, just come to Twitter, you will get it. Now, you type hamster daily combo or hamster combo in the search bar. See, it has brought out different updates. So you are going to get it right here. Now, take note, this daily combo is every 24 hours. So after 24 hours, it resets. So this is for the mini game. This is someone just posted this 12 hours ago. This is daily combo over here. So you just look for these cards in the mine tab, and then you get 5 million. Some of them you need to refer friends to open them, but some you don't. This is the mini game. So you want to complete that mini game, so you just come here, watch the way someone is doing it, and then you get it. All you need to do is just to get this key outside of this place. It's pretty simple. And also for the daily cipher too, Twitter is your best friend, like I said. Just come to Twitter and search for it. If you keep scrolling now, we're going to see the daily cipher. Here it is. So this is cipher for today. It's like Morse code, so we're Want dot is one tap, then dash is a long tap. So dot and dash, and you get the, so this is the server for today, relay. Now you do this and you get your 1 million reward. So that's it for this guys. That's a simple quest for this game, and get on this right now. If you have not started Hamster, it's not too late. Make sure you start right now and start mining Hamster Kombat. So guys, if you have more questions, if you don't understand some of these things, you can ask right in the comment section. I will answer your questions. I will make videos to answer the questions for you. And also, I have a WhatsApp community. So I have a group on WhatsApp where we talk about airdrops, talk about these things. We also post the daily combo on there. So click in the link in the description to join my WhatsApp community, right? And also feel free to ask any question you feel. You can ask any question in the group also, and we will answer your questions. And with that said and done, if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this on crypto airdrops, how to make money online with crypto and airdrops. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.